Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's topic is tissue. Tissue is a tissue is a group of cells that works together perform a specific function. There are four main types of tissue function. First one is epithelial tissue. Second is connective tissue. Third is uh, nervous tissue, and fourth is muscle tissue. The epithelial tissue covers the body surface, line its cavities and form gland. It's responsible for protection, absorption and filtration. Example: skin, epidermal and the lining of the digestive tract. Connective tissue supports and connects different body parts. It includes bone, cartilage, adipose, fat tissue, and blood. This tissue have varying degree of rigidity and elasticity. Muscle tissue. This tissue responsible for movement. There are three types of skeletal muscles: voluntary movement, smooth muscle, involuntary movement. Example: in the digestive system and tract. Cardiac muscle found in only heart. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is responsible for communication. A specialization is communication. It consists of neurons, nervous cells. The transmit electric impulse to neuroglia. The epithelial tissue is one of the most basic type of animal tissue, along with connective muscle tissue and nervous tissue. It is a sheet of cells that covers the surface of the body, lies cavities and tubes, and forms gland. Epithelial tissue has several important functions. First one is protection, second one is absorption, third one is secretion, and fourth one is sensation. First one is protection. Protection is a epithelial tissue provides a protective barrier against physical injury, pathogen, and chemical substances. For example, skin is protective epithelial layer that prevent the entirety of harmful microorganisms. And second one is absorption. Some epithelial cells are specialized for absorption, along with nutrients, water, and other substances to pass throughout them and enter the bloodstream. This is important in organ like the intestine. Whenever nutrient from food absorption. Third one is secretion. Epithelial cell can also be specialized for secretion, releasing substances such as hormones, enzymes, or mucus. Uh, Epithelial forms as secretory glands of the body, such as sweat gland and salivary glands. And fourth one is sensation. Certain types of epithelial tissue, such as those in the skin, the lining of digestive tract, contains never ending that all the detection such as pressure, temperature, and the stimuli. Epithelial tissue is classified based on its shape and arrangement of the cell. The shape of cell can squamous, flattened, cuboidal, cup-shaped, columnar, elongated. The arrangement of the cell can be simple layer and stratified layer. Stratified cells contains in present in urinary bladder and urinary bladder. The second one is connective tissue. Connective tissue is the basic types of animal tissue, along with epithelial, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. It is adverse and abundant tissue in the several important function for the body. The connective tissue main part is support, connection, protection, transport, and storage. Support connective tissue provides structural support of the body. It forms the framework or organs, such as those bones that support the body and protect internal organs, and the cartilage that forms the flexible support in the ear and nose. Second one is connection. Connective tissue, different tissue and organs together, it forms tendon that attack muscles to bone, ligament that connects bone to other bones at joint, and fascia to surround muscle and other structure. Protection. Connective tissue provides a protective barrier around organ, for example, adipose tissue. A type of connective tissue acts as a cushioning and insulating layers around organ as such as kidney and hearts. Transport. Connective tissue transport the nutrient, water and produce and other substance throughout the body. Blood, which type of connective tissue to carry oxygen, nutrients and hormones to cell and remove the waste product. Storage. Connective tissue store energy from fat. Adipose tissue store excess energy as a fat, which can be used in the body when needed. Connective tissue is composed of cell, dispersed and extracellular matrix, which is made up of fibrous collagen fibers, elastin and ground substances. Third one is muscle tissue. Is one of the four basic type of animal tissue. Along with epithelial tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue is primarily responsible for movement, and body can classified into three types of based in structure of function. First one is skeletal muscle, second one is a smooth muscle, third one is a cardiac muscle. First one, skeletal muscle, is attached to the bone by tendon and responsible for voluntary movement such as walking, running and lifting weighing weight. Its stated mean is the striped arrange appearance under a microscopic and is under conscious control. Skeletal muscle is a voluntary muscle. Smooth muscle is found in walls and internal organs such as the stomach, intestine, digestive system, intestine, blood vessels. It is responsible for involuntary movement such as a peristalsis. It construction and relaxation for the digestive tract. Third one is a cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is found in a heart and responsible for pumping of the throughout the body. It is involuntary muscle. Muscle tissue is composed of muscle fibers, which are long cylindrical cells that contains many nuclei. Nervous tissue is type of tissue that is specialized to connect the electrical impulse and the reception of stimuli. There are two main functions. Neurons. Neurons are the basic functional unit of nervous system. They are responsible for transmitting electrical impulse or action potential throughout the body. Neurons have a cell body, dendrites, which receives signals from the neurons, and an axon, which transmits signal to neuron or muscle glands. Neuroglia. Neuroglia or glial cells as support cell from neurons. They provide structural support, insulation and nutrients to neurons. Such they also play a role in the immune response in the neural system. Thank you.